What's going on, guys? Back with another video today. I just want to make it clear before it starts that this isn't a complete tutorial video. It's just some tips and helpful information you'd want while installing a 350z Tomei on a Nismo or a non-Nismo 370z. The reason you want to do that is because it sticks out farther and won't burn the bumper as much. But the mods that he has are listed in the description as well. And if you have any questions or comments, just let me know. And check out my Instagram, @rednismo. Hey, what's up, guys? This is another 350z Tomei on a Nismo 370z 2013 Magma Red. We reused his ISR bolts on the connecting Y pipe. Kind of tried to get it flush in there. I believe the mid pipe is pushed all the way into that area, and then the exit is pushed decently far into the mid pipe, but not all the way. There's the hanger, if you can see it. He didn't care that the exit was going to touch his bumper, so we just left it as is. But here's how it exits. And that's it. And the hanger is about 3 inches from the blue tinted area. I'm not sure if each Tomei is handmade or not, because my hanger goes 4 inches from the blue, like it starts here to that little blue line, it's 4 inches. His worked with 3. The hanger that should go on the 350Z lines up essentially with the, it's hard to see it, with the, let me zoom out, with that bolt right there. There you go. It's kind of blurry, I don't have a light, but it almost lines up identical with that, so that can help you gauge how it should be. Since the wheel is not off, I can't really show you well, but here's how mine is. The hanger's a little different, 4 inches from the blue line, and the hose clamp we used on the mid pipe to raise it up. But I didn't want my bumper to touch, so we had to adjust that accordingly. So this is the clearance when it's on the car. It's still on blocks on the front wheels, but it's not really a big raise. It's like 2 or 3 inches.
Hold up. Alright, you good now? Good? Hold up. Alright, start now.
It's not rattling at all. It's good. I also wanted to point out another thing, since I didn't officially record us. This is my car, by the way, not his. I didn't officially record us installing the Tomei. I just wanted to give some tips about how you can get better fitment. One thing is to, like, there's the exit, and there's the mid pipe, and then whatever connects to the Y pipe. Those don't have gaskets, they just slide in together. Whether or not you push them all the way in or not can help you extend it or shorten it, obviously. So let's say, like, I don't think that one is pushed all the way in. No, it's not at all, but I don't remember how much it is. I don't remember how far it goes in, if that makes sense. And I also don't remember how far that one does, but I can tell you on Michael's, the Magma Red Nismo you see, that we definitely did not push them all the way in. We just did it enough for the hanger to get on and for the clearance to be good. His exits farther, like, out from the bumper than mine, because his mid pipe, we put a hose clamp on it right there. Put a hose clamp on it connected to this black bar. I don't know the official term for it, but that holds up the mid pipe, holds up the mid pipe. And if you can see or not, I have a slight little divot on the Tomei mid pipe there from bumping into that thing. I think it's gonna happen no matter what over time, just as you hit a bump, if you are running the hose clamp. And so I said to Michael that we should probably, or it was his decision if he wanted to just have that divot be made over time, or if he wanted the hose clamp to just pull the mid pipe up and then, like, just literally be touching it. And he wanted it to touch, he didn't really care. Additionally, on the exit of the bumper, I didn't want mine to burn. It slightly did, as you can see right there. It burned when it was not angled like this. And so that slightly burned there, but I didn't want it touching on the sides either. It looks like it's touching right there. I can guarantee you it's not. It's the tiniest little space. But he didn't care, so his is pressed up against it, but you would never be able to tell it was getting burnt unless, excuse me, unless you were literally just staring right in there. And I think I said it before, but if you measure from this, like the start of the little blue line to the rubber hanger, mine is exactly 4 inches. And for Michael's, since we adjusted it differently, his was actually, I don't remember, it was like 3-ish inches. Another way that I prevent this thing from sliding over to the side during vibrations, if I can get the camera in there. Actually, I gotta get a flashlight. Oh shit. Is with zip ties. So what I did was I got the hanger on, I slid it over, and then just put zip ties in there to literally just give it absolutely no space to move. So right there, my bumper has touched like once or twice. Actually, no, I don't know what that is. Oh, that is water dripping down as it gets on it. I see. But yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know. Michael drove 2 hours for me to install his, so I think that's it. Also, if you don't already know, if you have a titanium product and you get fingerprints on it during installation, you have to wipe those off or you can't get them off after the exhaust is warmed up. And you can remove them with acetone. It won't leave any residue and stuff like that.